Learn English words with examples.
Contemplation. The act of thinking deeply about something, reflection, or meditation. She enjoys contemplation that helps her relax. Proletarian. Belonging to the lowest or poorest class of the people. Proletarian neighborhoods are often characterized by poverty. Exploit. To treat a person or situation as an opportunity to gain an advantage for yourself. She learned how to exploit her strengths in class. Pacify. To calm someone down or bring peace. A warm cup of tea can often pacify a stressed mind. Prehension. The act of grasping or understanding something. The toddler's prehension of the crayon was unsteady but creative.
To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.